All right, this video is going to walk you through how to solve difficult algebraic equations. In this case here, you don't really have the algebra skills to solve this, but we do have the graphing skills to solve this. The idea is you're going to take the left side of the equation, put that in your calculator, that would make a parabola, and then you'll put the right side of this equation in here, and that will make an exponential. And your goal is to try to solve for the x value only of where these two graphs cross. So let's go through that real quick here. You'll turn your calculator on, go to the y equals, press the y equals button, and type in both the left side and the right side into your calculator. Then you'll press graph. You might have to adjust your window sometimes to make sure you can see where the graphs are crossing, but in this case, I can clearly see that these graphs are both crossing in two different spots. So I'm going to find those coordinates. The way you're going to find those coordinates is by pressing second, then the trace button, choose option 5, and then just press enter, enter, enter. The cursor will naturally move over to the closest one to 0, 0, which is this one right here. Now you only want to write down the just the x part, and if you round that to two decimal places, you'll stop at the 9, but notice that there's a 7 next to it. That 7 makes the 9 round to a 10, so you carry the 1. So the x value for this first intersection is going to be at negative 3.3. So I'll go to my blank here and put in negative 3.3, negative 3.3. Notice I did not type in the y coordinate. Okay, now we're going to repeat the same process to find the other crossing point and find that x value. You're going to press second trace 5 again, and then you're going to choose option 5, and then before you press the enter, 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 you got to move the cursor over to the left here, over by that other crossing now, and then now I can press enter, 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 and I now have my other x value. In this case here, I'm going to have negative 6.73 as the other coordinate. So comma, negative 6.73, and now I found both of the x values that make this equation true. And again, you find it by graphing the left side and right side in the y equals, hitting graph, and then finding the coordinates of both places or multiple places that they cross at. That's it, and good luck in finding your equations solutions.